You can present more than one map in print layout. The coverage and content of those maps could be the same, but it could be also different. For example, you want to present different data on maps of the same area. You will add a map, resize it, and set its scale. After that, you will make as many copies of it as much different datasets as you want to present. After choosing a map, we are going to lock visible layers, then change them for another map item. You should click on a refresh button if you don't see a change in a print layout right away. We will do it for each map item individually. As the last step, we are adding a scale bar. All maps are the same scale, so we are adding only one scale bar. Another situation with multiple maps is a case when you want to present a smaller scale overview map to show the wider context and a few larger scale maps with more details within the area that the overview map covers. After defining a map and setting its scale, we'll need to lock its layers, so they will stay as is when we change their appearance in the main QGIS window for detailed maps. To do this, we'll need to switch between the main QGIS window and print layout back and forth, for choosing layers that we want to be visible on an overview map and the detailed ones. The detailed maps should have the same scale for their direct comparison. This could be achieved by typing the scale value in the Item Properties tab. Copying and pasting a detailed map can keep its scale, but every change in the size of any of the maps will mess up the scale values. To fix this, click on the Data Defined Override button next to the scale, and type the scale in the expression string builder. In this way, the scale will stay locked even after reframing a map. Locking layers is a way to be sure that any changes in layers' visibility in the main QGIS window will keep predefined layers visible in a print layout. Select the overview map and then click on the scale bar icon. That will add a scale bar for the overview map. There should be two different scale bars, one matching the overview map, and the other one matching detailed maps. Select one of the detailed maps and then click on the scale bar icon for making a scale bar for the detailed map. And make them look the same. They should be located near a map they refer to. We will also add a legend. Turning off Auto Update, we are able to choose what symbols will be present in the legend. We should keep only representative symbols and remove self-explanatory symbols or symbols that are not directly related to the map's theme. You are also able to rename every layer individually. In the end, it will be useful to show areas that detailed maps cover on an overview map. To make this process clear, we will first add proper names to map items. Select the overview map and go to the Overviews dialog in the Item Properties. Clicking on a plus button, you need to add as many overviews as you have detailed maps. After that, you need to link them together by choosing an overview for each detailed map. In a frame style option, we could define the appearance of overviews within the overview map. One of the best options will be a solid line with no fill. Similarly to multiple maps on a single page, we can make an atlas with multiple pages. Those pages could be made automatically, and each page will contain a single map. We need to make the polygons that will define the map areas. This layer will be used as the coverage layer. A standard workflow consists of creating a grid. We are creating a set of polygons that covers a given extent, and for that purpose, we are using the extent from the locations layer. After setting its size and coordinate reference system, a grid will be created. There will be polygons without locations within them. We will select that kind of polygons and delete them. After saving a file, we'll add a map item. Turn on Atlas settings and turn on Generate an Atlas option. We will select a grid as a coverage layer and make it hidden. The last step will be turning on the option controlled by Atlas, and the Atlas pages will be generated.